Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the incredible world of wellness and nutrition. In a world where excessive sugar consumption is linked to various health issues, from diabetes to obesity, making informed choices about sweeteners is more important than ever. In this video, we'll explore 10 alternatives to refined sugar that can add sweetness to your food and beverages while offering potential health benefits. Number 1. Stevia. Stevia, derived from the leaves of the South American shrub Stevia rebaudiana, is a plant-based sweetener. It's up to 450 times sweeter than sugar, calorie-free, and has shown promise in weight management and blood sugar control. However, some research suggests potential effects on the gut microbiome. Number 2. Sugar alcohols. Sugar alcohols like erythritol, xylitol, and maltitol are naturally found in fruits and vegetables. They don't promote tooth decay, have fewer calories than sugar, and are suitable for diabetics. However, excessive consumption may lead to digestive issues, and xylitol is toxic to dogs. Number 3. Monk fruit sweetener. Monk fruit extract, about 300 times sweeter than sugar, contains no calories and may aid in weight management and blood sugar control. Ensure you check the label for other added sweeteners when using monk fruit extract. Number 4. Allulose. Allulose, a natural sugar found in certain fruits, offers 70% of sugar's sweetness with only 0.2 calories per gram. It closely mimics sugar's taste and may help regulate blood sugar levels. Be cautious not to consume excessive amounts to avoid digestive discomfort. Number 5. Dates. Dates, dried fruits from the date palm tree, are a nutrient-rich alternative to refined sugar. They provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals, including potassium and magnesium. Studies suggest that they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels, making them a great option for sweetening recipes. Number 6. Applesauce and fruit purees. Replacing sugar with unsweetened applesauce or mashed fruits like bananas in baking can reduce sugar content while adding nutritional value. Fruits offer various health benefits, including reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Number 7. Yacon syrup. Yacon syrup, derived from the yacon plant, is lower in calories due to undigestible sugar molecules. It may promote gut health as a prebiotic but can cause digestive issues in excessive amounts. Number 8. Honey. Honey, produced by honeybees, contains antioxidants and plant compounds that may have anti-inflammatory effects. It has a lower glycemic index than sugar but should be used in moderation due to its sugar and calorie content. Number 9. Maple syrup. Maple syrup, made from maple tree sap, contains minerals and antioxidants. It has a slightly lower glycemic index than sugar but is still high in sugar and should be consumed in moderation. Number 10. Molasses. Molasses is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, including iron, potassium, and calcium. It can be used as a sugar substitute but should also be limited in use due to its sugar content. While enjoying occasional treats with refined sugar is okay, it's essential to be mindful of your overall sugar intake. Replacing refined sugar with these alternatives can help reduce the risks associated with excessive sugar consumption. What did you think of the video? Leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.